Now, can the Android use an AirTag? So let me explain the thing. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So AirTag is naturally a tracker made by Apple. So if you want to use it with iPhones, no problem, it's going to be recognized. But what about Androids? Well, technically the Android devices are equipped with the NFC technology and the stuff to, the scanner, the reader to track the AirTags, but due to the software setup, it's not gonna work very well. Like, you can open up the Play Store and look up an app which is called the AirTag scanner, using which you could technically look up the nearby AirTag devices and see them in here. It might be recognized, but it's not going to be practical at all because you will not be able to use it for the intended purpose. Like, you cannot put it on your stuff or in your bag and track it with it because you have to set it up with an Apple device at first. So that's kind of a limitation in it there. However, if you use an iPhone to set up an Apple AirTag, and you want to then use an Android to see the location of that, you could technically do this using the web version of iCloud. You would just go to the iCloud.com through your web browser and go to the Find My section. And in there, you should be able to see the location of your devices as well as AirTags. So if you set it up at first with the iPhone, you will be able to find it on the map using Android as well. But, the setup is crucial, and that can only be done with the Apple devices. So I hope it helps. I just wanted to quickly show you how it could kind of work. If you are first time on Foxtecc, subscribe for more quick tips and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.